Hello, this is an instructional video for the Omniwallet Shopify app. So once you have the app installed, you go here and then you click on the app. You go to subscriptions and then you choose a subscription. I'm going to choose this one, for example. We hit approve and then we are redirected to the setup page. So here we click link, and after that we see that our subdomain and our token is linked. So right now we can configure our redeem points to euro configuration. I'm gonna set it to 1, for example, and then we have the minimum purchase. I'm gonna leave it 0 and then make sure Omniwallet Active is enabled, and then you save. So once you do that, you go to the documentation and make sure to follow these instructions very carefully in order to add all the extensions to the shop. So once you add the instructions to the store, you go right here to the store, you open it, and then you can access the extensions right here. Right now we can access them because we need to create a new account. So I'm going to create an account. Let's call it test, for example. Create. And here we can see our transactions. Right now we don't have any transactions, it's empty, and we have 0 points, and this is our QR code. And if you go here, this is where we can redeem points. Right now we don't have any points, so we can't redeem anything. So in order to start earning points, we have to buy products. Let's go to the catalog. Let's buy a gift card, for example, $100, and here we can see how much money we earned by buying this. Let's click add to cart and then check out. So I'm gonna fill this with fake information. We hit buy and then we click continue. So now if we go to our transactions, we can see our latest transaction, and then we go here, we can see that we earned 200 points. So now we can redeem points. Let's go here, let's redeem 5 points, for example. Add discount now, and if we go to our points history, we can see this is our discount. So let's buy a new product. Let's buy this one, for example. Add to cart, checkout, and we can see our coupon right here. This is how much money we're gonna save, and I'm gonna fill my information again. Pay, continue. And now we can see our transaction right here. So we used our coupon, we no longer have it, and we can see that we earned new points. And if you go here, we can see our new points. This is how much points we have, and that's it.